Hello everyone, welcome to the online class of Environmental Studies. I am Kirtika Singh, your EVS teacher, and I hope you all are fine at your home.
Our lesson number 1, Changes in Family Life. In this lesson, we will discuss the following topics: Introduction, different types of family, relatives, nannies, crashes, your mother as a child, reproduction, mammals, orphans, an orphanage, adoption and foster parents, recap shots. Now, introduction. The first question is, what is family? A group of people who are related to each other is known as family. Family is also known as basic or smallest unit of society. The people who are living in the family is known as family members. Our family help, protect and take care of one another. From the family, children learns how to lead a happy, healthy and prosperous life. All the family members are bounded by love and affection. Different types of family. On the basis of number of family members, the family may be big or small. So the family can be divided into 4 types. First one is small or nuclear family. Second one, big or joint family. Third one, extended family. And the fourth one is single parent family. Small or nuclear family. A family in which mother, father and children live together is called a nuclear family. It approximately contains 4 to 5 family members. This type of family is very small in size. Big or joint family. A family in which grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, cousins, and children live together in the same house is called a joint family. The joint family system is the traditional family system. This family system has been prevalent in India since ancient times. In this family system, each member of the family shares the household chores, thus, the work is divided and the burden of the work is lessened. Our society has undergone many changes over the past few decades. In order to get better opportunities of work, employment, and education, members from the traditional joint families are leaving their homes and settling down elsewhere, mostly in towns and cities. As a result, joint families are decreasing in number while nuclear families are increasing. Extended family. A family in which all members do not live together at one place but share a strong social and emotional bond is called an extended family. Very often, the few members of a family who live away from their family because of job or for some other purpose, but they come together on birthdays, wedding functions, and festivals. Being together on such occasions expresses the bond they share as family member. This type of family is known as extended family. Single parent family. A family in which only one parent, either mother or father, live with the children is called single parent family. Relatives. Family members who are related to each other is known as relatives. We can classify them into two types, that is maternal and paternal relatives. Maternal relatives means the relatives from mother's family side, for example Nana ji, Mama ji, Mami ji, Mausi ji, etc. We can call them like Nana ji as maternal grandfather, Mama ji as maternal uncle, Mami ji as maternal aunt, and Mausi ji as maternal aunt. Now, paternal relatives. The relatives from the father's family side, for example, Dada ji, Dadi ji, Chacha ji, Chachi ji, you can call them like Dada ji as paternal grandfather, Dadi ji as paternal grandmother, Chacha ji as paternal uncle, Chachi ji as paternal aunt, and Bua as paternal aunt. List of different terms by which we address some of our relatives. In first column, terms used for some relations, and in next column, what they mean. Mother-in-law, wife's or husband's mother, son-in-law, the husband of the daughter, sister-in-law, husband's sister or wife's sister, uncle-in-law, wife's or husband's uncle, father-in-law, wife's or husband's father, daughter-in-law, the wife of the son, brother-in-law, husband's brother or wife's brother, aunt-in-law, wife's or husband's aunt. Nannies. In the nuclear family, if both the parents are working, then who will take care of the children at home? So the answer is nannies, women who take care of young children at the latter's own home are called nannies. You may understand like this as women whose job is to take care of the particular family's children. Crashes. A place where babies and small children are taken care of while their parents are working, shopping, etc. is called crashes. In joint families, the grandparents take care of their children when parents go out for the job, but in nuclear family, parents leave their children with the nannies or in crashes. Your mother as a child. As we all know that our mother is very important for us because she has given birth to us. She was once young like you. This is an activity which you all can do with your mother, that is, talk to your mother and ask about her education, hobbies, circle of friends, ambition, games which she had played, foods which she liked, the places which she has visited. After this conversation with your mother, you can picturize that mother's life before and after marriage was different. Reproduction. It is the life process in which the living being, that is, animals, humans, plants, and microorganisms, give birth to their babies is called reproduction. The meaning of microorganism is the organism which we are not able to see with our naked eyes. Reproduction in humans. Do you know how babies and young ones of human being and animals are born? So the answer is the babies come from their mother's body. In humans, the body part of woman where a baby grows before it born is known as womb. In womb, baby stays for 9 months. The baby gets its food through a tube inside the mother's body, that is umbilical cord. Umbilical cord. It is a nutritional tube that connects a baby to the mother to get its food before the baby is born is called umbilical cord. In the picture, you can see that the baby is inside the womb and the baby is connected to the mother's body through the tube, and the tube is clearly visible in the picture. Reproduction in animals. Animals reproduce directly or laying eggs like humans. Some animals give birth the babies without laying eggs. For example, dogs, cats, cows, etc. There are some animals who lay eggs like birds, insects, fish, snakes. In the diagram 1, you are able to see the animals that give birth to young ones like lioness, sheep, goat, and mare. In the diagram 2, you are able to see the animals who lay eggs like snakes, turtle, chicken, duck, etc. Mammals. Animals that produce their babies directly without laying eggs are called mammals. Mammals feed their young ones with their own milk. In the picture, you are able to see dogs, cat, elephants, tiger, horse, pig, rabbit, bat, monkey, kangaroo. All are the example of mammals. The humans also come in the category of mammals. The children who lost their parents due to any natural disaster, war, or accident are called orphans. Many children are neglected by their parents because of poverty or for any other reason. So you can call orphan as a child whose parents have died or have permanently abandoned them. These unfortunate children are taken care by voluntary organizations and government agencies. The voluntary organizations are non-profit making organizations set up for helping people. These people are the social worker, and the government agencies are run by the government. An orphanage. An orphanage is a kind of home for the children whose parents are dead. Here, these children get all the basic facilities like clothes, food, and shelter. Along with these, they get education so they can become a good and independent person. Adoption and foster parents. The process by which couples become legal parent of a child who was not born to them is called adoption. The meaning of couple, the people who are living together after marriage or they have a kind of relationship like husband and wife. When a couple take care of a child without becoming his or her legal parents, they are called foster parents. People adopt orphans for many reasons because they have no children of their own. Some other adopt them because their own children are dead. A few others adopt because they want to give a home to a homeless child. By reading all the previous topics, we can conclude that besides giving shelter to us and fulfilling our basic needs, our family also gives us an identity in the society. So we should take care of our family, respect our family member, and keep your parents happy. In the last recap shots, a family is the smallest unit of a society. There are four types of families: small, joint, extended, and single parent family, we all are born of our mother. Mother's life before and after marriage was different. The process of producing young ones or babies just like themselves is called reproduction. Animals reproduce directly or by laying eggs. The process by which couples become legal parents of a child who was not born to them is called adoption. People adopt children for many reasons.
This is all about the explanation of this lesson. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.